Hi guys, in this quick and easy tutorial, I'm gonna be showing you how you can give or how you can invite someone to your Wix website, or how you can give someone access to your Wix website. Probably you want them to edit something on your Wix website, or you want them to make some changes to your Wix website, or to design a Wix website for you. This video is for you. I'm gonna be showing you how you can do that. Now, before we start, I would highly appreciate if you can drop a like on this video. Let's get started right now. The first thing you need to do, guys, to give access to someone to your Wix website, you just need to log in into your Wix account. Okay, now we want to find out which website, if you have like multiple websites, you want to find here which website you want to give access to, like your friend or a web designer. Like you just need, if you want, for example, to give if you want if you want someone to access, for example, this site, you just need to click on three little dots here next to your site name, click on them, and then click on add collaborators. After, guys, you click on add collaborators, then this is going to be like easy. Just click here, like I said, add collaborators. You want to add then the name or the email for that person that is going to receive an invitation from you, that you are inviting them, guys, to access your Wix store so that they can make some changes. You can also decide what this person will, like, if you want this person to have access to website designer, if you like, they can edit site, manage settings, apps, but cannot access inbox, contacts, and other sensitive info. You can check the box. Okay, for example, if you want this person to have access to dashboard to manage site settings and apps but cannot edit the site, you can choose that. But if you can also give them access to edit, publish, manage site, including billing, payment, financial info, basically everything, but you can't delete or transfer site. You can select the first one. Okay, now you can choose which one you want. Now, after you choose, for example, you can also change, for example, financial manager. Okay, just check this, and all the other boxes will be garied because you can only choose one of these. Now I decided to give full option, like I'm going sorry to give full access to this person, like to have edit, publish, manage site, including billing, payment, financial info. After that, you want to click on send invites in the top right here. This invite for an agency or freelancer or college, at my business, friend or family, client, someone else. Tell us more. You don't have to tell them more. Okay, just click on done, and this guy will receive an invitation to their email that you have added here. As you can see, now I'm going to go to this email that I have used, which is just my email. So as you can see, I just need to, I'm going to reload this page, and as you can see, Wix has sent you an invitation. Now you have to accept it. Okay, you have to accept the invitation, and then you will access your store. Okay, they will access it. Of course, they have to have a Wix site. Okay, a Wix account. Okay, no, you don't have to have Wix site, you just have to have a Wix account. Okay, so that's exactly, guys, how you can I'm going to, yeah, that's exactly, guys, how you can invite someone or give someone access to your site. Okay, that's exactly how you can do this. Now, if this one, guys, helped you, or if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. As you can see, now there is someone that is pending because it's not, the invitation is not accepted yet. Okay, so just go to their email and accept the invitation, and that's it. Okay, hopefully this one, guys, helped. If it does, leave a like, subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video. Have a good day, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. See you guys next video.